subjects English and religious studies, enjoyed playing the piano, best line of all bios here, right? She liked procrastinating and scrambled eggs. I was like, what, same time? Guess so. Doesn't like loud chewers and lateness, okay, just so you know. She's from All Saints Academy. Special rosette for this person here, right? Please go crazy! I think you're going to. Don't put the sign down, you're going to do it once more. It's Sofiya Kuzniatsova!
What does happiness mean to you? Family, freedom, money, maybe even those 5 extra minutes of sleep in the morning. All these things have a significant meaning to you. But have you ever thought about the scientific aspect of happiness? Well, it all begins here, at the very front part of our brains called the prefrontal cortex, responsible for our moods and levels of happiness. Not only does it control our emotions, it also helps us solve complicated problems and process complex thoughts. A question you might have is, can we make our brains work in such a way that makes us happier? And can we trick our minds into helping us think more positive? Well, yes, it's possible. However, rather hard, as when we're sad or under pressure, we release adrenocorticotropic hormones, which then stimulate the release of cortisol, a steroid hormone. This is called the negative feedback loop. Excessive amounts of these hormones can be very damaging as, in simple terms, they reduce the size of our prefrontal cortex, resulting in our incapability of thinking happy thoughts, which is why depression is said to be a chemical imbalance in the brain and overproduction of certain hormones. For instance, with depression diagnosis levels rising, around 300 million people being diagnosed across the world yearly. That's almost 5 times the UK population, which is why we need to understand how we can prevent the causes of depression and other mental illness. But it's not just our brains and thoughts that impact happiness. Statistically speaking, 10% of our happiness depends on where we live or our surroundings. Another 50% of our ability to be happy is predetermined, so not something we can change or alter. However, the other 40% is what we have the power to change. But what makes up the 40%? Things such as a healthy lifestyle, exercise, regular sleep pattern, and balanced diet. All these things have an impact on your happiness the same way as neurotransmitters have an impact on your brain. Serotonin and dopamine to be precise. Both naturally released hormones and both are contributors to the feeling of happiness and well-being, which we can increase the production of by encouraging our passions and changing our perceptions, because the world is how we choose to see it. Start thinking of your problems as challenges and don't take yourself too seriously. All these things can help you build a positive mindset and make you a happier person. But let's look back to our hormones. Serotonin, the neurotransmitter. How can we increase the production of serotonin really easily? Well, the secret to the production of this magical transmitter are bananas. They contain high levels of tryptophan, which then our bodies convert into serotonin, the happy mood transmitter as we know it. So in conclusion, I don't think doctors and scientists will ever know the answer to happiness, as it depends on us as people and be creative for ourselves. But what I do know is, with a few neurotransmitters and a positive mindset, we can go to great lengths when it comes to happiness. Thank you for listening.
I was like, so can you just tell us something about what sources of research that you did in coming up with this?
Oh, I used many textbooks and just many research links online. However, one of my main resources was actually a book. It was called Happy for No Reason, and it contained a lot of scientific information as well as like psychological information of happiness and many statistics, which I've used.
Yeah, brilliant. It's quite false. A great form of call. So, how did you go about deciding that this was the talk that you wanted to give? So, of all the kind of scientific areas, why did you narrow down the happiness?
Because lately I've noticed mental health awareness has become quite a big thing in the UK. So I thought I would use my talk to kind of tell people about what happiness really is and what impacts it. Because I don't think people really know the reason behind happiness and the whole scientific process about it.
Great. Thank you very much.
Nice one. Huge round of applause for Sofiya.